Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a power window regulator on this 2000 Buick LeSabre. Same as many LeSabres as well as Bonnevilles, although removing the door panel may differ a little by car. And the tools you'll need are a flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, door panel clip tool, which is available at 1AAuto.com, a 10mm wrench or socket and ratchet, as well as some pliers.
Okay, start with a flat blade screwdriver. Just carefully go right in behind here and pull out on this bezel. Kind of comes forward and off. Okay, next you're going to want to take your screwdriver again and pry out on this courtesy light. Just kind of comes straight out. You can pull the bulb out like that. Phillips screwdriver. You look right in here, you'll see a black Phillips screw. Remove that. Okay. Now there's a series of clips around the door panel. You want a door panel clip tool. What you can do is kind of pull out on the panel, slide it in, and then usually down so you come to a clip. Pull it out, put it right around the clip, and then pull on the door panel and the tool at the same time. Okay. And then just keep doing that right around the whole panel.
And I'll speed it up here as I just work my way around the panel with the tool and pulling to release the clips. And then once you release the clips, you'll want to actually just kind of try and pull the handle out or pull the panel out and pull it up and off of the bracket.
Pull all the back clips out, pull the door panel up, and then come up in the front here. Pull all these clips out. Okay. And you'll have to kind of pull your door panel up and out. Okay. And then there's a little a little electrical connection here. Just press on a tab, disconnect that. Door panel comes off. You can see right here, this is the clip in the middle. It slides down on these clips here. So what you want to do is once you have your panel off, take your screwdriver, push up. There's basically two just little teeth that hold it on. Push up, pull the clip off, and then push down. Okay, and that comes off. You can slide it right back in there.
Fast forward here as we remove the other clip and then put it back into the panel, and then the panel is ready to install when you have your project done. Once the door panel is off, use some pliers or a screwdriver, pull the pins at the top of the water shield out, and carefully pull the water shield down to give you access to the part.
Use a 10mm socket and ratchet and just remove these two nuts so you can remove the door control box.
Okay, we'll just fast forward again. Removing that box just allows you to pull the water shield down a little further. Use your door panel clip tool or a pair of pliers and remove the pins and the big styrofoam block It's kind of the lower part of that opening.
Okay, the window regulator is a cable-driven regulator, and generally what happens is you'll hear a popping noise, and then you can hear your motor working, but you're just hearing a bunch of grinding. Okay, and in that case, you'll be able to just kind of grab your window and move it up and down by hand, and you want to basically move it till you see these two bolts. You can see one right there and one right there. That's where they are in the up position. But those are 10 millimeter. Basically what you could do is just lift your window all the way up, have a helper hold it, and then you remove those two bolts.
And speed up here again. In the last frame I did say you remove those bolts. You do just need to loosen those two 10 millimeter bolts.
And right down here is your window lead. You just push down on this tab. Okay. Sometimes a flat blade screwdriver properly placed will help. Okay, and now your regulator is held in by 3 bolts. One up here and then 2 down here. I'm going to remove those.
And we'll speed up the tape again as we remove those nuts that hold the regulator to the door. And once those nuts are removed, you can pull the regulator back out of the door and pull it out through the large opening.
Okay, you can see my original is in fine shape, so I'm just going to reinstall it. And you just kind of want to put it right down in. Just a little bit to get it in there. You need to kind of reach up in, make sure your regulator goes inside your window. Okay. Bring that stud through there, and then bring your other 2 mounting studs down here and here. Start these nuts on.
And speed it up again here as I just start all 3 of the nuts on and then tighten them up with my 10 millimeter socket and ratchet. And you want to tighten them nice and firm.
I'm just going to bring my door panel over one more time. Plug in.
Plug the lead in to your window motor and then turn your key on and plug in your door panel.
Regulator up. It's down, up, right into place. Okay, so now it's right in the door. Now the regulator and the window are right together. So I can disconnect this again. Okay, and now we can tighten these 2 bolts right in here that secure the regulator to the window.
Now reinstall the styrofoam block, insulation block, and carefully put your water shield back up, put the pins back into place, and make sure you press the outside edges into place.
Okay, before you put your door panel back on, again make sure this bracket is in place. Okay. Reconnect your harness. Now 2 of your lower pins are longer, so So you can actually kind of put those in place. I'm just kind of looking down, seeing those go in place. Those should pretty much line it up. And then you can just rotate the panel onto the door. Okay. Watch everything go in. Peek back here, make sure that these pins are lined up. Okay. Ashtray had fallen out before. Stick the back in a little bit and then put that in. Okay. Make sure we take our Phillips screw and carefully put it in. Okay. Connect our courtesy light.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.